What's up, everybody? Today, I'm filming from a completely different computer, as you can see. Trying out this MacBook Air with a low battery to see how it does with the video. So, I'll report on that later. But first, well, let's just get into the deals. I want to say I'm saving the best for last, but we about to recap. First of all, if you watched my video from last night, you took advantage of this deal, this 7-tool deal from Metabo, tomato, and it's all sold out now. See, look, now this morning I saw this on Slick Deals, and you don't hear me talk about Slick Deals a lot because sometimes I found quite a few deals way before they even hit Slick Deals. So I'll make videos on them first. So you want to come here first. If you go to Slick Deals, you're super duper late. Now, while I'm sitting right here, though, I did notice this Craftsman right here has an 8-tool deal for $279. Let's go ahead and check that out. But will it be as good as Metabo? I don't really think so, but let's go look at it. So you have this Craftsman. It's great reviews. But what do you get? You get a reciprocating saw. You get a jigsaw. You get a. Well, I'm a little confused on what that is. A right angle. And it looks like that scale I showed you guys the other day for $79. Looks just like it. Um, but that looks like a little right angle impact wrench, or is it a oscillating tool? I think it's a right angle impact. That's we could just let's just read. How about that? Let's just read what the thing is. You get down. Oh, what is going on? Getting used to the Mac. All right. You get your drill driver. We know that. You get your impact driver. So that is a hammer drill. You get a reciprocating saw, circular saw, jigsaw, and a random orbital sander. I didn't see that. And it's an oscillating tool. That's a weird little tip there. It looks like a right angle impact driver or right angle driver, but now it says it's an oscillating tool. So there you go. You get your sander and all of that. There you go. 20 volts, 20 volt max. Yeah, there you go. 279, 265 with the Lowe's card. And again, like I said, I don't generally recommend store cards, but Lowe's and Home Depot, if you're a homeowner, you're gonna always shop at those places. So I think it's cool there. All right, and it comes with 2 batteries, charger, and a soft case. Let's see what size batteries those are. The batteries are. I can't find them. I don't see them. I don't see that information. They don't even show the batteries. They look small. They're either 2 amp hour batteries or they're definitely 2. They're not going to be anything bigger than that. No pictures. Yep, sorry about that. Usually I come prepared, but I just saw this, so I wanted to, while I'm filming, so I wanted to talk about it. But yeah, look through that and see what the battery is. I'm assuming it's 2 amp hour batteries, so that is that. What you're not getting, yeah, there you go, 2 amp hour batteries, boom. But what you're not getting is that lifetime warranty. You're getting a 3-year warranty, so I mean, right there, it's not a better deal, but it's still a deal. You're getting an extra 2, you're getting 8, and that might be a good trade-off for you. So again, got to check in. Now, remember this. Remember this impact wrench for later on in this video. Remember that it's $289 at Lowe's, okay? This is a 36 volt cordless corded impact wrench, okay? Just remember that. We're going to come back to that. So let's move on to direct tools. They have some tire inflators. You got your Ryobi. Yeah, I said don't get this. I said don't do it because these little vents right here on the side, is it still right there? Right there? Oops, I clicked it. Anyway, these vents on the side, when you're handling it, blows cold air all on your hand, and it's not fun to use. You mostly are going to be using this in the winter, unless it's summertime and you got a real slow leak. But yeah, so anyway, that's that. And so I apologize if you hear somebody yelling in the background. My mother is really, really loud. She don't know how to be quiet. Anyway, moving on. They have a crown stapler. That's the deal of the day for today. I've never used it, so I can't comment on it. If you used it, let us know how it is in the comments and let us know whether it's a good deal. Just remember with direct tools, one, they take a really long time to ship, and two, they charge you $10 for shipping. So get everything at the same time. Don't make the mistake I made on December 4th and I still haven't gotten a shipment notification for my order, and it's December 18th. But I digress. Moving on. I posted, I'm recapping now that this is $159.99 at Direct Tools. Fantastic deals. $229 at Home Depot, which is already a good deal. And this thing smokes the Milwaukee half-inch flex impact wrench. Okay, it beats it. It's more powerful. It brings the beans. But is it more reliable? Who cares? Lifetime warranty. Just make sure you service or register that thing and within 90 days of purchase. And it does qualify for the lifetime warranty because it's factory blemish. Now, I had someone comment saying that the regular price is $149 or something like that, and this was just on sale for cheaper than that. You are mistaken, sir. You are confusing it, and I'm glad you brought that up because I don't want people to confuse it with this. This is also a half-inch impact wrench, and this is normally $159.99, and this is on sale for $127.99. They're the same thing, as far as being half-inch impact wrenches, but this does not bring the beans like the other one does. Okay. So you want to be careful and make sure that you do not. Oh, it's out of stock. That just happened. It was in stock when I when I opened up this tab to begin this video like 15 minutes ago. But anyway, you don't want this one anyway. It's not as powerful. So don't confuse the two. I'll leave a direct link to this one. Just look at that head right there. Okay. See how it's all look like it's all steel there. And then over here, it looks more futuristic. All right, you don't want the more futuristic one. You want this that's packing all that meat inside of the head there. That sounded weird, but that's the one you want. Okay, let's move on. Here is the rigid inflator back on sale, factory blemish, so lifetime warranty for $31.99. This was a great deal to me when it was on sale at Home Depot for $49.99, which I bought. So I'm going to go ahead and return that because I did buy this weeks ago. So I'm going to go ahead and return that one back to Home Depot. Hopefully this comes someday, one day. Moving on. For those of you that may have like, oh, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Let's go over here. All right, so all this is factory reconditioned stuff, and I don't recommend buying them. I'm already leery of Ryobi as it is. I definitely wouldn't buy no reconditioned stuff unless it's really cheap. This right here, this pressure washer, you can find this for like around $135 or something like that at Home Depot. I got the 1900 PSI version. Works great. I love it. And I've used it for 2 years now. Works great. Very compact. But get it from Home Depot. Get it new. And you don't have to worry about all that. Now, here you go. You have a 10-inch compound miter saw with the LED cut line, $69.99. Great. Again, if you have some off random jobs, this is probably be good to use or good to buy. But remember, they take forever with shipping. Then it's going to be a $10 shipping fee. You could just go with the Craftsman at Lowe's. That is $99. So let's just go check that out real quick. And it comes with a stand. To me, the Craftsman's a better deal. Or even this Metabo here, but this is it sliding? No, it doesn't slide, but it doesn't come with a stand and doesn't come with a lifetime warranty. Metabo's lifetime warranty only applies to the it's $79 now, y'all. Look, okay, this is $79 now, but it's a 7 1/4. It's not the 10-inch, so it's really not the same. But I did mention this in the video the other day, and it was $99 with the stand, but it's $79 now. So that is another thing. So anyway, depending on your needs, I would probably go Metabo though over the Ryobi personally. But it's no lifetime warranty on this, only on their cordless stuff. Now moving on, if you need a battery for that inflator or whatever, you can come here. They got some cheap batteries, $13.99, $13.99. You're gonna need a charger, and saving the best for last. I want to remind y'all that Menards has this Metabo. I don't know why this miter saw is so cheap. It's $600-700 everywhere else, and it comes with that corded battery right there, adapter. You can also get one that just comes with the battery for the same price. It's $399. I'm confused. I'm just going to go ahead and get this before they realize the error of their ways. And I don't even, probably really need it, but I have a DeWalt. It's just this. It ain't, obviously the DeWalt is not cordless. So anyway, moving on. And finally, this is the thing I've been holding out on you. I've known about this for over a week. I had to call them though to make sure that this still had a warranty because it's an open box. And generally open boxes do. They still have the regular manufacturer warranty as if you bought it brand new. But I called Tools Plus and they said that the open boxes just simply mean that, when the item came in, the box might have been a little damaged. And when they ship them out, they don't want to ship them in damaged boxes because it might damage the product. So they'll repackage it, and that's it. And then they discount it because of that. That's all. Or a customer came in and wanted to see what the tool looked like in their hand. So they opened the box because they didn't have a display and showed it to the customer and put it back in. That's an open box. And yes, it still has a warranty. So remember, what was this at Lowe's? $289. You could save $90. It's still new, still lifetime warranty on this bad boy, and it's a 36 volt and it's corded and cordless. So with that said, that's it for all the deals. I was just interrupted. Everybody's loud, just walking in the room while I'm recording. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. And let me go ahead and buy this for y'all. Make this sell out too, like the deal yesterday. I'm proud of y'all. I'm proud of everybody that took advantage of that seven tool Metabo deal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.